Hey, what is up guys? Today we got a real exciting unboxing and review to do of a watch from a company called Simply Carbon Fiber. Now I'm really excited about this one because this watch utilizes actual carbon fiber in its design and it looks so cool. So the one I have here is their Stealth Apollo model. I think it's their only watch that they actually sell. Hopefully in the future we'll see a lot more. But here is the Stealth Apollo. Now I'll put a link to this watch down in the description box down below, so if you do want to pick one of these up, feel free to do that. So, just taking a look at the packaging, nothing too fancy, it's just a sort of paper sleeve here. And cardboard box, we got some shiny logo going on top. So nothing too fancy here. Alright, so we got some padding, really nice. Now inside, got some paperwork. What is this one here? Simply carbon fiber. It is an instruction manual, so if you want to use that, feel free to do that. And we got, what else? Tag us in Instagram. Alright, so that's cool. And what else? Thank you for purchasing a genuine product. Alrighty. And we got a Simply Carbon Fiber sticker, so that's awesome. If you want to put that on your laptop or on your car, feel free to do that. So we got some padding. Now here is the watch itself. Now, I did not try this watch on. I will try this watch on for about a week to give my honest opinion and review. And with the magic of video editing, there will be a cut later in this video and a week will have passed, and I'll give you my honest opinion about it. But yeah, on first impressions, it's a really, really gorgeous watch here. You see the bezel around here, and the actual dial, the watch face, is made out of real carbon fiber. Really gorgeous design here. So there's a plastic here, if we could peel off. Alright. And there's a plastic on the back as well. It's always my favorite part here. Alright. So here's the watch. Now, first impressions, the actual leather strap here, very soft. A lot of genuine leather straps that you get on watches really come stiff out of the box, but this one is actually really supple and it's really soft to the hand. I really like it. Now on the back, stainless steel here. Now this is made out of stainless steel. The only carbon fiber areas are the dial and the bezel here. You get a nice stainless steel buckle. So yeah. And here's the crown. Push it down to start the time. So you can see the second hand ticking away there. Alright, really cool watch. Alright, so I'm going to cut the video. A week will have passed. I'm going to give you my honest opinion and review and just give a rundown of the specs.
Alright, so I've been wearing this watch for a little over a week now and actually really enjoyed wearing it. So the watch itself is a 42mm case diameter, which is actually a perfect size for my wrist. Anything bigger than that is usually too big. And the weight is a really nice weight at 72 grams, so it's not too heavy or light. And yeah, so the case is mostly made out of 316L stainless steel. And again, that leather band was really soft, and overall the watch was really comfortable to wear. Now again, the watch is mostly made out of stainless steel, but the front bezel and the actual watch face is covered in carbon fiber, so it looks so good. And on the back, it is just covered in a sort of stainless steel plate. And on the inside of the watch, it is powered by a Swiss Ronda movement, which is a little bit more expensive from what I heard than the Japanese quartz movements we get in a lot of the other cheaper watches, but in actual real life use, you can barely tell the difference. And the watch face itself, it is covered in a sapphire crystal cover glass, which is actually a really nice feature to have on a watch at this price point, because it's a lot more durable than just sort of regular glass. And speaking of the watch face, it is again covered in that carbon fiber, which looks so good. And you do get your sort of silver hour hand markers, and on the outer edge of the bezel you could see minute hand markers as well. You get your date window, your minute hand and hour hand, and the second hand is in black, so it's a little hard to see, which is my only issue. And on the right side, again, you do get your crown if you want to adjust your time or your date, and you get some Simply Carbon Fiber branding on it. And on the back you just get some more company branding. And the watch does feature a genuine leather strap and really nice stitching all the way around. So over my week of wearing this watch, I haven't had any issues with the stitching coming loose, because I've had issues like that before, so that's really good. Now the watch does feature interchangeable straps as well, so if you do want to add your own 20mm width strap, you can go ahead and do that. You just pull down the pin, take it off, and it's really that simple. So I actually really like this feature. Now the watch also does feature water resistance at up to 50 meters, so if you do happen to get dunked in a pool or get water on it when you wash your hands, it should not be a problem. But I did take off the leather strap for this water test, as you see, because leather and water is not a good mix, so keep that in mind if you do want to go swimming with this watch for some reason, but I really like that. But yeah, overall, with my week of wearing this watch, I actually really enjoyed it. It's a very unique design with that carbon fiber look, and it's actually one of my top favorites. It's a really unique design, again, but my only issue is that the second hand is black, so it's really hard to see, so you have to sort of squint to try to hunt for it. But overall, this is a really good watch for its price point. Really nice materials with stainless steel, carbon fiber, and sapphire crystal. And again, that leather band is just really soft and comfortable to wear. So that's it for me, guys. If you want to pick up this watch, I'll leave a link down to it in the description box down below. Check it out. And if you want to see more, subscribe. If you like this video, leave a like, and I'll see you guys in the next one.